The Plains Tribal Council of Assam, also known as PTCA, was established to represent the interests of tribal communities residing in the tribal belts and blocks within the Lut Valley. On May 20, 1967, a memorandum was submitted to the President of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain, outlining the grievances of the tribal people. The organization was led by prominent figures such as Mr. Bhimbor Deori, Mr. Samar Brahma Chowdhury, Mr. Charan Narzary, Mr. Praful Babara, and Mr. ABSU. In 1968, the PTCA decided to boycott the state assembly election in protest against the lack of redelimitation of tribal reserved constituencies.
Of India, late Indira Gandhi announced on January 13, 1967,
was
that
established
Assam
to
will be
represent the
reorganized
interests
on
of tribal
federal
communities
basis.
residing in
During
the tribal
that
belts
period,
and blocks within the
Meghalaya
Lut
and
Valley.
Mizoram were integral part
On
of
May
Assam.
20, 1967,
Prime Minister had made
a
that
memorandum was
announcement because there was a
submitted to the
demand
President of
from
India,
All-Party Hill
Dr.
Leaders
Zakir Hussain,
Conference
outlining the grievances of the tribal people.
for a separate hill state.
The organization was
Bodo
led by
leaders
prominent
realized
figures
that it was the
such as
right
Mr.
time to
Bhimbor
raise their
Deori,
voice for a
Mr. Samar
separate
Brahma
arrangement for
Chowdhury,
tribals,
Mr. Charan
including
Narzary,
Bodos like
Mr.
the one
Praful
for
Babara,
hills.
and Mr.
Just after the
ABSU.
announcement of the reorganization
In
of Assam,
1968,
tribals
the
leaders
PTCA
came together and
decided to
founded
boycott the state assembly
PTCA,
election in
Plains
protest
Tribal
against
Council
the
of
lack of
Assam,
redelimitation
on
of
February
tribal reserved
27,
constituencies.
1967, under the leadership of Sri Samar Brahma Chowdhury and Sri Charan Narzary. In Chapter 4, the author of the book also mentioned about the foundation of All Bodo Students Union, ABSU, on February 15, 1967. Both PTCA and ABSU welcomed the announcement of the central government's decision to reorganize Assam. The PTCA was a political party for the tribal voices of the plains on the northern bank of the Brahmaputra River. Mr. Bhimbor Deori was the founding president and Mr. Charan Narzary, the founding secretary.
We extend our condolences to the grieving family and commend the Mumbai Bodo Society for their support. May the souls of the departed find peace, and may their dreams of a Bodoland house in Mumbai be realized. Thank you to all those who have shown
The journey of
compassion and
Udayachal
empathy
movement
during this
began
tragic
from there.
time.
River Sankash in the west to Sadia in the east along the foothills of Bhutan, and the northeastern frontier tracks on the northern part of River Brahmaputra. Chronological events. The year 1967 was one of the most happening years in the history of Plains Tribal Council of Assam. The party was born in that year on February 27th. The first memorandum was submitted to the then President of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain, on June 9, 1967. In the same year, on June 10, 1967, they met the Home Minister Mr. Y.V. Shivan and Union Industries Development Minister for Cruden Ali Ahmed. These are the memorable milestones of the early days of the Udayachal movement. In Chapter 4, the author of the book mentioned that the demand for Udayachal was intensified due to various reasons. One of them was the violation of Delimitation of Constituencies Act 1962, because of which tribal people were forced to become minorities in the parliament as well as state assembly. They boycotted the by-election of Kokrajhar parliamentary constituency held in 1968. Thousands of PTCA volunteers, who picketed the polling stations that day, were arrested and sent to different jails. Thus, the demand for proposed autonomous region was upgraded to Union territory in the name of Udayachal on January 7, 1973. Dream for Udayachal. On April 29, 1986, a delegation team of the PTCA met the then Prime Minister Sri Rajiv Gandhi in New Delhi and urged to solve their demand. On 27 September 1986, a 4-member PTCA delegation led by Sri Samar Brahma Chowdhury, MP, met the Union Home Minister Sri Bhuta Singh to reiterate the creation of the proposed Union territory. As a result of this discussion, the Home Minister called for a tripartite talk among the central government, the state government and the leaders of the PTCA on the demand for the creation of Union territory. As a political party, PTCA jointly participated with the Janata Party in the Assam election in 1978. They nominated 9 candidates for assembly constituencies. After the election, they joined in the coalition ministry formed by the Janata Party under the leadership of Shri Golap Bora as a chief minister. Turn of events. Unfortunate situations unfolded one by one for PTCA. Those are the saddest moments in the history of Udayachal movement. Dreams got shattered to dust. In chapter 3, the author of the book mentioned, in 1977, PTCA changed their demand from Union Territory to Autonomous Region. It was like going back to the root. Downfall of PTCA started from here. This resulted in unhappiness among some sections of the PTCA workers and leaders. Those who were unhappy with the party decision got separated from the party and formed new political party, Plain Tribal Council of Assam, Progressive, in short PTCA-P, in 1978. The new party was led by Shri Binoy Kumar Basumatary. The main demand of this party was the creation of missing Bodoland Union Territory. There are some more stories beyond this. We have come to the end of synopsis section. Conclusion. Overall, the book is very good and highly informative according to my view. Any age group could read this book to find inspiration. Definitely, Dream for Udayachal is source for inspiration to all the tribal communities from the Northeast. Many lessons could be learnt from this book. Please read this book. Dream for Udayachal. Udayachal ne Takai Simong.